Hi everyone, it's David. This lesson is highlighting the contemporary artist Wayne Thiebaud. The big idea or theme for this lesson is creating form using values of lights and darks. The students will be using oil pastels. For most of them, it is their first experience with this medium. During the lesson, the students are learning about the artist Wayne Thiebaud and his sweets paintings, more specifically his cakes. They will then learn how to draw a cake with a slice cut out of it, and eventually how to color and blend with oil pastels, which includes learning how to create the look of light, reflection, and shadow to create form.
Okay, so Wayne Thiebaud is really famous for his cakes, all right? And this is called lemon cake. 1963, oil on canvas. So what direction do we see the light coming from in this picture? The light is coming from the left side, okay? And how do we know light's coming from the left side? What did Wayne Thiebaud do to make us believe light's coming from the left side? Yes, Andy. Shadows are going to the right. There's shadow here, there's shadow over here. Okay, what else?
The little cherry on the top, or whatever that is, has the shadow.
The little cherry at the top has a shadow on it as well. Okay, good. What else?
There's a shadow behind the cake on the right side.
There's a shadow right back here. Okay, what else?
It's three-dimensional.
What makes it look three-dimensional? That's good.
You have like an elevated view of like over the cake, and it's like fine, you can see around it.
So it looks like you can see around it. It's kind of like an elevated over the cake. You can see around it. Okay. So what else does Wayne Thiebaud do besides adding shadows to make us believe it's three-dimensional?
You can see the corners, they line up all the way to the back.
Here?
It's kind of like what you would say.
Right there? The white? Okay. So yeah, so the white is called a highlight. And that's the highest amount of light on an object that reflects off of it. So wherever there's a highlight, that's where the light hits the object. And then the shadow, of course, is on the other side. Notice what's taken out of the cake? What's missing? There's a big piece of cake missing. And did you create shadows here too as well?
Yeah.
Okay, so it's not just on the back side of the cake, but it's also on the back side of the piece that's cut out. All right.
At this point in the lesson, the students are learning to incorporate a little math. They will be using a ruler to start drawing a square or rectangle shape, then placing an oval at the top and the bottom of the shape to create a cylinder. Next, they will be creating the look of the piece that has been cut out by using angles. Now that the students have successfully drawn their cakes, it is time to start using the pastels. For demonstrations, I like to ask the students for suggestions on what colors they want to use. First, we start by deciding on a cake flavor and what color we might associate with that. Then we go on to the icing and eventually the table and the background. Finally, we end with the highlights and the shadows.
So everything on the left side of the cake has to be lighter. Shadows and everything else. So our shape, which we started off with, was just a square or rectangle, and now we've created a form of a cylinder, and that form became a cake with values of light and dark. That works? Yeah. Okay, so use your pastels. Keep working on this. You can choose what flavors and colors you want to use. All right, and if you need help with something, please raise your hand. I will come by and help.